Hello. There's a problem with the visualizer. Oh, okay. It works now. Wait. Wait. Let me try first. Okay, it works. Yeah, it works now. Thank you. Testing. 1, 2, testing. Audio 不见。Okay, hello. Is everyone here for MAT211? Is that correct? Course code. Okay, good. All right. A very good evening. Okay, good evening to everyone. Our lecture time seems to be very romantic. All of them are at 7 to 9, 5 to 7. Okay. Actually, I was quite tired just now. Wake up early at 8. But just now I rushed here because I have a wrong room number recorded. I thought it's A4, but turns out it's in A1. So I walked all the way here from A4 just now. Okay, but anyway, so nice to meet you all of you. I haven't seen you before, right? Have you seen me before? No, right? Yes, where? Oh, is it? You play badminton? Okay, good. Yeah, badminton is a good sport. Yeah, I saw you at church. Right, good. So first of all, I think I should let's know each other first before we start the class, okay? So make sure we're on the same page. So my name is Seng. Okay, you can call me Seng. Okay, Seng. My last name is Me. Okay, Seng Me. You can call me Seng. Okay. Is it okay? Yeah, you can call me Seng. So I'm Me Seng. So let's talk about me first, and then we'll talk about you later. So start with me. I was born in Malaysia. I'm a Malaysian from Sarawak. You know anyone know where Sarawak is? Who? How do you know? How do you know Sarawak? Oh, you're Malaysian. Let me tell you, most of the West Malaysia, I don't know where is Sarawak, Sarawak, you need to take a flight, 2-hour flight, fly over. So technically, I'm also overseas. Okay, I'm also overseas actually. Okay, yeah, I'm from Sarawak, East Malaysia. So I studied up to matriculation in Malaysia, and then I went to Australia to further study. I take degree in mathematics. I learned pure maths, just pure maths, no statistics. I don't like. Okay, yeah, no statistics, no probability. But I do pure maths degree, honors degree, and then I go for PhD. Okay, I did PhD in algebra. So this is what we're gonna learn for this semester. Okay, I did my research in algebra. Yeah. So why am I here? So why do I come back here? Okay. First reason is because I take government scholarship. Okay. I take Malaysian money to go study. So I have a 5-year bond. No need to work with government as long as you are working within Malaysia for 5 years. The other reason is I met Darren. You know Darren? You know who is Darren? Professor Darren. You know Darren? Never told you guys before. There's a Bob guy in the mathematics department. Darren, Professor Darren. If you come to the department seminar, you will see Professor Darren. So actually, I never wanted to come back for pure maths because I know that pure maths is not a high demand here. 听得懂吗？听得懂我讲吗？听得懂？听得懂啊？听得懂？你们比较习惯中文还是英文？中文啊，中文，但是啊，我还是要说英文，但是我可以加一点中文，因为我们的理论是在英文，好不好？重要的东西我会说中文 ，OK。但是你听不懂也可以问啊，听不懂可以问 ，OK， 举手问吧，不要怎么说？不要害羞，don't be shy 啊，就举手问吧 ，OK。So it was Darren. So it's not a high demand， 不是一个高需求的课在这里，很少人要读。所以，但是 but Darren say come back and maybe XMUM want to develop pure maths. So 我会了。So that's why I come back to help this department try and develop pure maths. So my goal is maybe make you love pure maths again. It's okay. It's okay if you not becoming mathematician or what. This will become your one skill inside your toolbox. So inside your CV does everyone know CV? Know CV 吗？ Yeah, 履历啊，是吧？履历 sorry, 履历 yeah, 履历 So your 履历inside there you can say, oh, I'm a mathematician 就不一样跟人家不一样 Yeah, okay. And this course is not common in Malaysia. Okay, it's not common everywhere. It's a very highly skilled course. So how many of you are here today? 那你们班有几个人？大概不懂我的 name 上面是52啦，我还没有算现在。About 52 of you will be the top person, the top person in Malaysia who know this. 没有人知道了，真的学不上来了你要学也没有人会讲，真的。你转去其他大学找不到。If got, okay, maybe you go to USM you know USM 马大、理大 ，OK， Malaysia 最 top 的这种课可能在他们的第3年 ，maybe。意思说什么？就是他们那里已经最顶配的课。Okay, so we can go from this AA1 to AA2 Galois theory, and then go advanced algebraic geometry, algebraic topology, 还有 and what else? Representation theory, 还有很多很好玩在数学里面。如果你想玩的话呢 ，OK， 不需要做职业的。我们这种数学家是玩的，最喜欢就是玩，好玩的东西就去玩，对吗？是吗？这是你们来上数学的原因吗？还是为什么你们来上数学Why do you come to study? Why do you take maths degree? 为什么你来？因为你很会算是吧？我觉得我很会算我算数每次拿100分，对不对？是不是这个意思？是吧？你是 OK？ 我也是不要误会，我也是我以前算数基本都是100分的，出了国外我才知道原来算数不是算数，mathematics 不是算数，原来要写作文我本来想sorry. How many of you cannot understand Chinese? 1, 2. Who else? 2. Malaysian. Where are you from? Indonesian? Okay. I will do dual language. Okay, once I speak English, I speak Chinese. Once I speak Chinese, I speak English. So you won't lose any translation. Is that okay? Yeah. So yeah. So I was thinking I was good in mathematics, or actually it's arithmetic. Okay. But when I go to Australia, I think that wow, mathematics needs AC. Meaning what? We need to write a lot logic. Okay. Proving. Wow. SMU 的人听到 proving 都头痛了，是不是？对吗？会痛吗？我会痛吗？听到 proving。Do you headache when you hear proving? Headache, huh? Okay, so in this course, we will learn. Okay, we will learn how to prove. Okay, we must learn. This is the thing that this course can offer you. Okay, you hardly learn in other courses. If you go statistics, financial maths, not really. Okay, but this course will teach you how to write. Okay, what do you need to write? So first of all, the very most important thing about proving is you need to know what you need to write. Once you know what you need to write, you will write yourself. Okay， 明白吗？听明白吗 ？OK， so 不明白的一定要问 ，OK， 不要藏在心里啊，因为我不是你肚子里的蛔虫啊。OK， 你一定要告诉我。So if you don't understand, please ask. Okay, please ask. Raise your hand. Ask. Okay, there are few methods you can ask me. Okay, one is through email. Okay, second, team message. Third, team message. Fourth, okay. Office hour, you can come and ask. Okay, office hour. So I plan to do office hour at Tuesday 2 to 4 and Wednesday 3 to 5. Can you check your schedule? Is it available for you? I hope you free during that time. Yeah, most of you okay. Okay, any one section is fine. Okay, so if you can, please come to office hour for assignment asking or lecture notes content. Okay, so during the office hour this year is a bit special. Not just me, you can ask senior. Okay, I have taught here for like 2 years. Okay, 2 years. I have been teaching 2 batches, so 2209 and 2304. Finally, I free for them. So you are my new friend now. Okay, you are my new friend now. But they took my course before Calculus 2 A1. Okay, so they will know my pattern, they will know what is important, they went through the process. So it is very variable if you can get experience from them. You ask them what I need to study, what I need to focus on. Okay, so come to the office hour. I'll ask them to be there. Okay. I put this information in the course info. Everything you can find there. Okay, so later you should check. Is everyone in the Moodle now? Have you checked Moodle? Okay, you can open up your Moodle and then look at the course info there. I put information. Okay, so this is about office hour. What else you need to know? Okay, the other thing is, so because I taught you in A1, so most probably I won't see you again. Okay, I think I won't teach you MA2 and I won't teach you CN. Okay, so my focus is on pure maths. Okay, so if you can learn as much as you can this semester, and next semester, probably, hopefully, okay, we will offer a new major elective course. So do you know that you need to choose ME? I think this sem you start choosing, right? Choosing one, right? Next sem choosing two. Okay, if you like pure maths, if you like algebra, you can further do algebraic geometry. It's new. Okay, I offer it first. And so you can join. If you finish this course, you think I'm happy, I'm good, I like. Okay, not just doing well, you must like. Okay, 做你喜欢做的。OK， 最擅长做的还不是最重要的，是最喜欢做。可能你不擅长，但是你喜欢。OK， 有吗？有没有擅长但是你不喜欢？有吗？有啊，有这样的东西。OK， 很擅长，但是他做了不开心，不能做这份工作做不了。你一定要做你最喜欢的。Okay, you have to always do what you like. Okay, not just what you're good at. Okay, so it's very important problem here. You need to find what you like. Okay, so this is very long problem for you. Okay. Okay, so so I went to a department meeting, so these are the university vision and mission. I'm not sure you've seen it before, no? Okay, so trying to be first class teaching and research. And there's a cultural diversity here. I think we are quite diverse here. I think this semester is more diverse than previous year. I think we have Arab people coming in also this year. Have you noticed any Arab people? No? Okay. You can see some of them walking on the street wearing their traditional costume. Yeah. Okay. So motto is pursue excellence, strive for perfection. So hopefully we can do this in this class. So we work to our best. Okay, I would try to help you. Okay, as long as you want to get help. Okay. And this is our department division. Okay. So we want to become a leading department for mathematics. Okay, offering first class education. Okay. Most importantly is this last sentence. Beauty and usefulness of maths. Okay, this is why I stay in maths. Beauty and usefulness. Okay, beauty and truth. Okay, this is what if you know about this institute IIS, which is the research place for mathematics. Okay, this is the motto for them also, beauty and truth. Okay. Maths should be beautiful and very truthful. Okay, if you don't see these two elements, you might be missing something. Okay, you must observe how beauty is the maths is so that you can appreciate. Okay, otherwise you'll be very tired or a bunch of number, a symbol, then you will cry at home. Seriously, okay, you will cry. Okay, so maybe we skip to this ME. Yeah, so make sure starting from this you need to take a lot of attention about this ME course, whether which direction you want to go. Okay, may I ask you, who wants to be mathematician after you graduate? Can I show raise of hand? Any one of you? One. Okay, one. Okay, how about computer science? Computer science? You want to do computer science? Anyone? 不要拉人家，自己举自己的。Computer science? Anyone? No. Finance? Finance? Economics? One? One. Two. Two. Okay. Teacher? Want to be a teacher? Anyone? Teacher? 没有。One. One. Good, good, good. Very good. Teacher. What else can you be? What else can you be? Oh, what's your idea? And it's like more than half of you didn't raise hand. What do you want to be? Property manager, asset manager, asset. Okay. What else? Who else? What else? Others? No idea yet. Don't know. Don't know. 还是家里有一个财产给你去继承？商银矿是吗？不用做的，有吗？我摇去也有咯。收我一个。Others? Still thinking. McDonald? McDonald? Wow. You mean you want to be the boss or you? McDonald just cooking. Also good, also good, also good, also good. Yeah, can. As long as you know what you want to do, this is what drive you forward. Okay. Otherwise, you study hardware, you will feel very blur, confused. Why am I here? Why am I in this degree? Why am I studying this course? You will blur. Confirm blur one. I have seen a lot of example already. They tell me, I graduate with this degree. Sir, I don't know what to do. Graduate already, I don't know what to do. What? How? 3 years wasted. How? Very serious problem you need to think about. Okay. So throughout this course, please think what you want to be. Okay, so that you will know what you want to do next. Okay, otherwise you will be super confused. Does it make sense? Okay, I think 我觉得是很可怜呐、我觉得很可怜，真的不可怜咩？不可怜吗？你想，我觉得真的是很可怜因为花这3年呢都要做梦，对吧？是不是 ？Yeah. So you need to seriously think about it. Okay, about yeah. But what I offer in this course, remember what I offer in this course, it will be useful for everything, even for McDonald's. 你知道吗？昨天我出去吃饭哇，我们煮了一个单等了30分钟。We went to a restaurant and then we waited the food for 30 minutes. You know why? Why? the waiter make a mistake in the order, but she didn't rectify it. 他没有改正，第一时间没有改正，他已经知道他拿错菜过来了，他没有改正，等，wait for us to tell her， 明白吗？一开始为什么会改错？the system，why the system is broken， 不好啊。This is what mathematician can do. We make system. Everyone follow that system. Okay. Hey, I think I saw one of you there, right? Yesterday. Yeah, I saw you, right? You see us sitting very long, right? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, one of the waiter 拿一个菜出来 take a dish out 在那边转哦，在那边转，知道什么意思吗？他不知道，他不会看单，他不会看那个桌子。She didn't know about she didn't know how to read the order. She didn't know which table number is that. 你明白吗 ？OK， 所以这些东西都是 what is this? These are just what? What is this? System? Not good system. Do you have a good system? Do you put it clearly? The tag or not? Okay. Do you tell your worker the flow? Take the food, check the order, look at the table number. I find the table also don't have table number one. They all memorize one. Wow, so good man, you memorize 10 table numbers. I cannot do it. No? Okay, so you need to put label, put everything clear, clean and clear. This is what we ask for in pure maths. Convince people. This is what we ask for. This is just what we ask for in pure maths. That's all. Okay, we are not trying to make things complicated. Okay, we want to make things that everyone can read it 清楚，不要随地小便，都小了，不对？你不写出来谁知道 ？Okay, so you need to write the rule clearly so that everyone can follow, can understand. Rigorous, rigorous. We need to be rigorous in our course. 清清楚楚，我要你 prove 这个 I need you to prove this. You have to write it clear. Does it make sense? So we need to start from definition, everything, theorems, proof, proposition, lemma, also okay. Then we need to make it clear. Everyone can follow one, clean and clean. Does it make sense? Yeah. So this is the idea behind this course. If you wonder. Okay. So basically, mathematics divide into about 3 main parts. So we have pure side, applied side, and statistic. Okay. So in our course, do you know your degree graduated with what line? What is the degree that is written in your paper certificate? Bachelor of Mathematics and Applied Maths. So you have both components. So that's why you are forced to study all this. Okay, is it forced? Do you think it's forced? You know what's your major core and what you learn in first year? So you have to learn calculus, you have to learn algebra, you have to learn statistics, you have to learn probability, everything you need to learn. Okay. And the second year, what do you need to do? You need to learn at least 2 pure maths. Okay, so you'll be free in your third year. You don't want pure maths, then no need. Okay, then you can do your ME. What kind of ME you can choose, you know? Pure maths course, applied maths course, physics course, computer science course, economic course, right? Business course, all of them. You need to check your handbook. So here I only list down for mathematics one. Okay, pure maths, applied maths, statistics. Okay, 我比较私心一点我 list 比较多在 pure 那边。Okay, I list more subject in pure because I'm trained in pure. Okay, so applied 的最好不要来找我Yeah. Okay, so we learn more. I learn more stuff in pure. Okay, there's a lot of things you can do in pure if you like. Okay? If you like, you can go pure. What's the ME you guys choose this semester? Most of you. PDE. What else? Just PDE. Any others? ALA. Okay, advanced in algebra. What else? I think most of only can do these two, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah. I think they're designed to choose this two for you. Yeah. But even that I leave PD in apply, have a look there. Even I leave PD in apply, there's also theoretical PD. So we'll be improving more stuff, more abstract. Even I list economic and statistics, there's a pure version of economic called econometric. Okay, so this is offered in my university also, ANU. I was graduate from Australian National University in Canberra. You know Canberra? Anyone know Canberra or not? Canberra is the capital of Australia. Okay, yeah. So that econometric, you can go pure also. Meaning what? All these courses 如果你要讲理论的话，你要证明一个理论，全部其实真的来说就是数学来，全部都是数学。只要你去考虑一个东西的真相。If you are looking for truth, all subjects are just mathematics. You know? Yeah. So mathematics actually is a word to mean that you want to find truth. Okay? Find truth. So we need to find truth. Okay, in our course. Does it make sense? Okay 吗 ？Yeah. 好，这样你才学起来会比较容易。你知道我们在做吗？不然你会觉得，哎呦，这么多基本算题的事我都要找出来，不是这样的。我们就是要把它挖出来，深挖出来。Does it make sense? So we need to research very deeply to find the real answer to a problem. Okay. 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 What time is it? 5:30. Okay. So let's talk about this. What's the progress of the abstract algebra? So the first thing we'll learn, not the first thing we'll learn, but the first thing you touch algebra is what? Remember your high school or not? What do you do? X plus y, 2y plus z. Okay, so I call it arithmetic algebra here. Okay, so you just do the x plus y stuff. And then next you learn linear algebra. Right, your first year you learn linear algebra. What did you learn? Matrices. You want to solve what? 叫什么？二元阶梯还是什么？叫什么华语 ？System of linear equation. You need to solve system of linear equation. Okay, you use matrix to solve, right? You want to row reduce the matrix, right? Correct or not? You have to find what? Row reduce row, echelon form. Okay, yeah. So there are linear algebra. Then now we will learn groups. Okay, we will learn groups. What is groups? Groups is like group of people, like this one group, put things together. But how do you put things together? Why can you put two numbers together? Yeah. Second. Arrange. I want to put two numbers together and then produce one number, new number. What can I do? Sorry? Transformation. How to transform? Two number, I combine become one number. How to combine? What combination you can do? What is the composition you can do? Yeah. Subtraction. Yeah, you can do subtraction. What else you can do? Addition. Easiest one, addition, add two number, right? What else you can do? Multiplication, yes. And then division. Okay, yeah. So you can combine using one way only group. But in rings, we combine two ways. Okay, maybe you can add, you can multiply. What is the number that you can add and multiply together? What sort of number you can add and multiply together? What kind of number? What numbers you know actually? Did you learn natural number or not? Okay, natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then integers. What are integers? Positive and negative natural number. Right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then -1, -2, -3. What else? What are those called? Rational number, right? Okay. I think you guys should start learning in MA1 already, this thing. Okay. Rational number, and then irrational number, real numbers. Okay, so all these numbers you can add and multiply at the same time. Okay, so these are what we call rings here. And then next we'll go higher level is modules, but not in this course yet. Okay, so go higher level is modules, and then after module we go back to algebra again. And then we'll go further what is called homological algebra. This is what I do for my research. Okay, so this one is for advanced stuff. So what we do in this course, we do in this course is basically just these two, and groups and rings. Okay, for this course. So once you reach rings, then you know that our course going to end soon. Okay, yeah. Okay, group and rings. It's just these two. Okay, make sense? Okay. So if I give you a story, it's like this. Okay, if I draw out all the big branches of mathematics, right? Analysis, logic, algebra, topology. Okay. And then our holy grail is this category theory. Okay. So this is a very frontier advanced mathematical truth. Hey, who knows? After 20 years, your kid need to study category theory already. Okay. Who knows? Right? Yeah. Okay, so hey, anyone see this? I found this from someone that sent me from where is this? Zhihu. Anyone see this picture before? Anyone see the word? I think you cannot see it. So you can go back and see, and then see where's your level at now. Okay, so if you go deep into mathematics, these are the topics you will see. Okay, you can go back and see our upload lecture notes. So every lecture, after every lecture, I will upload the lecture notes. Maybe I will take 1 day to update it, but I will upload after every lecture, and I also will upload the recording also. Okay, so you can go back and see where are you. Okay, where are you? So very important, very important things in my class. My class is very different from the other class. Okay, so don't compare me with the other lecture. So my class focus on these 4 things. Okay, one is freedom, second makes sense, third rigor, fourth is clarity. So do you know what freedom is? Okay, let's tell you what freedom is. So for example, attendance, do you know how many percent you need to meet? 80, greater or equal to 80%. So meaning what? Do you know what this means? Sorry? Say. Right? Okay. Don't be shy. Say. Right? Very good. You can miss this class 6 times, 20%. This is your privilege actually. So in this 6 class, right? If you don't want to tell me any reason why you don't come, that's fine. But other than that, please inform who. You know, if you miss class, you need to inform who. Thumb polling. Okay, good. Thumb polling. OAA, you need to get approval from OAA first. Yes, thumb polling. Thumb polling is the OAA manager. So you need to inform OAA, and then we will approve your leave. Okay, otherwise you can meet 6 times. Okay, so this is your privilege. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, second is make sense. So make sense, this making sense is very important. First year when I study university, the tutor keeps saying, make sense, make sense, make sense. What is make sense? You know what is make sense? 有道理. Okay, making sense. So 有道理就有道理. Yeah, so it must make sense. Everything what I say, make sure that you are making sense. If not, don't make sense, you need to ask me again. Okay, we need to discuss until both of us make sense. Okay, 我不是那种填鸭式的. I'm not like 填鸭式英文不小心忘记去 spoon feed. Okay, I'm not spoon feeding you. In my class, you won't listen, you won't hear that. Oh, you must do it this way. No, I won't do that. Okay, anyway you can do as long as making sense. Okay. I won't tell you you must do it this way or you have to do it this way, that way. Not like that. Okay. As in your assignment, as long as you are making sense using the right theorem, using the right logic, you need to explain. Do you know you need to explain everything you wrote in your assignment? Is that how you mark before? Yes. If no, tell me the lecturer, I go and report. Okay? Yeah, so make sure every step you need to write down what theorem you use, explain why I can use this, and so on. Okay, so this is how we do the assignment. Rigor. Yeah, rigor is about definition actually. Okay, definition must be very clear. Everyone must have the right definition to start with. Later we play a definition game, okay? Later we play a definition game, see how we are good at reading definitions. Lastly is clarity. Okay, just now I already give you example, right? The working stuff, the McDonald's or what. Okay, you need to be clear. Clear in instruction, clear in communication. Okay, must be clear, crystal clear. If not clear, how? Not clear how? Ask. Wait, good. I think you are a potential good student. Must ask. You must ask. Hey, some of them some of the people even my colleague also like that. If you ask they get angry one. Get angry 啊！哇，问这样都不会咩？讲这样多次了。Right? Okay. So don't be angry if people ask you. Okay, you ask people also need to be polite lah. Correct or not? Hello, sir. This one how to do? Sorry to bother you. Correct or not? Need to be polite. 对吗? Okay, so this is the communication you need to learn. Okay, so this is very useful even for your workplace. Okay, not just class. Okay. Right. So so this picture I show you for every class here. Every class I got. So math is hard. I agree. Math is hard. It's very hard, really hard. But let's see the staircase there. So there's 15 weeks here. Okay, so you need to spend 15 weeks here. Don't run 15 weeks. So after you spend 15 weeks, I make sure you will see the paradise. Okay, do you know what a paradise is? What's paradise? Sorry? What? What? 你不要去，你要在哪里？你要在哪里？哦，OK。No, paradise is not heaven It's the place that you happy with. Maybe you like to go pub, then pub is your paradise. Okay, maybe you want to stay at home, or home is your paradise. Okay, so I will basically you will live a lot of first time here. 什么意思啊？你会把你很多第一次留在给我，这是我学生的 comment。你会把很多你的第一次留给我，就是说，I'll take you out from your comfort zone. Okay, you will have to learn in my class, study. Okay, you need to read, study. Does it make sense? Okay, 没事，我也把我的第一次先给你。我没有看过你嘛，对不对？你有没有看过我 ？Okay, yeah. 好。So let's work together. Maths is hard, I acknowledge, but we can work together. Okay, so I will offer a lot of help inside my class, outside my class. Okay. So make sure remember one word, only one word in my class. Ask. You must ask. So admin stuff. Okay, we still have time. Let's do admin stuff first. Maybe later we play a little game. So admin stuff. Double pass rule. Do you know double pass rule? No. So your continuous assessment have to be greater than 40%. Okay, then I think I need to pull out my course info now. Hey, wait. Where's my course info? Hey, can you guys enroll log into Moodle? Moodle has been a lot of problem now these few days. Keep jam. So please bear with it. Our IT is like that. How about after you study, you go take over the IT place? Do a better job. Okay, I found my course info here. Okay, I think everyone should have it also on your computer or laptop. So our course credit is 4. So 4 here is important. So we don't have a project in my course. MA1 you have because it's 5 credit longer. So basically we'll met 4 hours per week, 2 times 2 hours. So 7 to 9. and 5 to 7. Okay, so this is right table here. Okay, later I will explain about this lectorial stuff. So office hours start next week. Okay, either you can make appointment with me or come to this Pure Max first aid stop. This is the office hour I mentioned just now. So since I named this as Pure Max, so meaning what? You can also bring other Pure Max question here. So you can ask MA1 also if you want. Okay. Other Max question, basically. Okay, I can help. So yeah, so you can see that if you in Moodle, you can see I uploaded super many book for you, and also solution manual. Again, make sure along these 15 weeks read this book. So mainly is Artin, okay, Artin and Frale. Okay, these three books. These are textbook. Other are just suggested reading. So if you think that I don't understand these book, you can read others to help you to understand. Okay, so one student graduate from my class he said 老师，别的老师的课我觉得他们题目都会做。There's one student graduate from my class saying that I know how to do the question that others lecturer give, but I cannot understand the textbook they use. 但是我不明白他用的课本读不懂。但是呢，老师 ，but teacher calling me Nami，你的课难 ，your course is very hard, but I understand your textbook. I can read your textbook. So what I train here is your self-learning skill. That's self-learning skill. This is like the boss simply throw you a project. Hey, what's your name? Huh? Xiaoqi. Xiaoqi. Right? Go and do this. Xiaoqi or Xiaoqi. Okay, go and do this. Then you see, boss, I don't know. Okay, fire. Fire lah. This is real life. You think in class you can retake, man. No lah. Who got give you chance one? People are waiting to come in to get job, Even McDonald's, You think So self-learning skill is a very important skill you need in your CV. Very, very important. Well, you tell boss, I can learn everything. You tell me, wow, Superman. You want Superman as your worker or not? If you are boss, I can do everything for you. Of course, if I'm a boss, I want. Okay, so need to learn self-learning skill, very important. So I listed a lot of here. You don't need to go through all of them actually. You just need to see which one it work for you. Okay, give me feedback which one is good for you. Okay, I'm not sure why, because I get feedback from my past year student. Actually, here is my past year student. They come here and see you guys, not see me. I see you. So these are past year from my AA1. So they come and see you and listen. They say that abstract algebra seems very too abstract for them. Yeah, it's a bit abstract. Maybe it's not the usual mathematics that you do, the usual calculation that you did. Actually, for me, it's quite different. In my uni, analysis seems to be harder than algebra. First year we go into the class. We already start with MA1 analysis. So we start with epsilon delta first year. But you guys are calculus 1, right? Calculus 1 basically just differentiation, integration, right? No epsilon delta, no proving, right? Okay. We first start with proving. Okay, and then we found that actually AA1 is the easiest course among all the pure maths courses. I mean, similar to my classmate also actually. I think we have the same feeling. We think that course is quite easy. Okay, but anyway, I list out all these reference for you so that you can easily see which one can help you to study better. Okay, give me feedback after the class. Okay, but this three is the main thing we refer. Okay, so every week, did you see that I put pre-reads? You make sure you read first before you come. Otherwise, you blur, you complain, wow, 这老师讲我一个都听不懂，是不是？ So to prevent this, make sure you read a little bit. No need to understand one. 有一个概念先 have a concept before you come in. 大概知道我要碰到的东西是什么。It's enough, OK？ 好过你进来空空什么都不懂。Understand or not? So please read before you come, okay? To prevent a blank of mark. So basically, we have five chapters here. You can see that we have groups for 3 chapters and then ring for 2 chapters. Okay, groups and ring. And then for this time, I set 7 assignment here. Last time I set 5 assignment, I think. So I broke into 7, meaning this assignment will be shorter a little bit. But make sure that you guys work constantly. So every 2 weeks. Okay, so why max is hard? One problem is you don't see enough example. 没有概念，没有看到实体的东西。So you need to, for mathematics, you need to do a lot of exercises to help you. Okay, you will remember. 哎，我记得我算过这个东西。Does it make sense? Okay, you need a lot of exercises to help. So you see 7 40 divide 7 can divide or not? 那除不尽So I fix 6 for each. If it turns out one of the assignments is too hard for you guys, I'll set that to a lower percentage, 4%. Okay, depend on the performance in your class. Okay, if there's that assignment is too hard for you, all of you, then we reduce that percentage. And then just test 20%, and final exam 40%, the usual setting. So continuous assessment will be assignment and test, both of them. Okay, you need to over 40%. And then overall, you need to over 55%. So this is the double pass through. Does it make sense? Make sense? Okay, so yeah. So for assignment, you can discuss. Okay, you can look for resources, but don't copy. Write in your own words. Okay, if you collaborate with your friend, 比如说小齐小齐 how about you? What's your name? 易静 What's your name? Adrian. So maybe Yijing and Adrian discuss on question 1. I write the same answer. What happened if you write same answer? Same answer, what happened? You double back. Oh, I said double back. Okay, in academic we call plagiarism. You know plagiarism? 抄袭. Okay, so if you plagiarize, we will of course punish. Okay, so there's a penalty there. So to prevent plagiarism, what do you need to do? Said that question 1, I collaborated with Adrian. Okay, and write in your own word. Cannot copy the same word. Okay, cannot use the same word. You can copy, and I mean you can copy. You can discuss idea. Okay, but write in your own word. Write in your own word. 自己写。Okay, 知道答案了自己写。Okay 了 Make sense? Or you learn to paraphrase. Paraphrase. Okay, paraphrase your answer. 明白吗？可以明白吗？ OK 可以讨论可以找资料But write down who you collaborate with. Or if the reference is not from textbook, then you need to say, where do I get this reference? Okay, if it's not proven in class, the theorem, 我没有证明过，我也没有教过 you need to prove yourself. Okay, does it make sense? Okay, man. Clear? Is it clear on how to do your assignment? Okay, okay. So if you 没有头绪 if you don't know how to do, you can come to the office hour. You can come to office hour and ask. Ask. Let's see. Okay, this is quite short. So before we take a break for 1 hour, so every hour we'll take a break. I need 2 class reps. So seems like there's like half boy, half girl, right? Can I get 1 boy and 1 girl? Okay, this class rep, what do you need to do? You are the middleman between me and your class. Okay, so let's say if you have any complaint or any suggestion that you cannot talk to me. I don't know why you cannot talk to me directly. You can tell your class rep first, and then class rep can tell me. Or if I have some emergency, okay, maybe announcement is too late, or email is too late, I'll ask class rep, okay, to inform all of you. Because every day you sit together, right? Every classes. Is it? Is all of you here in the same batch or not? What's your batch, huh? Two, 2309. Anyone is not 2309 here? Huh? Not 2309. Anyone of you? All of you 2309. Huh? You are not 2309, right? Okay. So, okay, one job I want to assign this class rep is before this class dismiss, okay, add all of you here into a team chat. Okay, there we will do an informal discussion there. So if you want to discuss assignment, discuss what about lecture, you can do that. Like chat, normal chat. Okay, if you don't want to ask in Moodle or what. Okay. In Moodle you can ask me also. Okay. Anyone volunteer want to be a class rep? Anyone? Don't be shy, eh? Don't be shy, eh? Oh, you want to be a one? Okay, what's the name? So wait, let me make a note. 周若星 huh? So what's your student ID? 309-419. 2309419 459. So Rosie, okay, good. So we have a female representative now. So can we get a male here? 男的不可以输诶。So let's get one more male. One. Or any suggestion or not? Suggestion. Oh. Huh? Oh. Need to call name, eh? I don't know all of you. You need to call a name. What name? I think Xiaoqi. Xiaoqi, are you okay? Okay, Ding Xiaoqi, What is Ding Xiaoqi? E. What's your student ID? 134. T Xiaoqi. Okay, good. Okay, so during this break, I want both of you go and get all the contact here, add them into a team chat. Okay, so everyone, if you have a problem, question, quick question, quick asking, 今天有考试吗？考试在哪里？ Okay, you can do it there. Okay, you can ask your classmate everything about this course. Okay, this course, this course. Okay, about this course. Yeah, you can add me in also. So basically, if you add me in, I will be trying to be transparent as possible. So I won't involve too much, but if say add Seng, what is the group? Then I will answer lah. Okay, if you want to ask about anything about your assignment or assessment, anything about this course inside there also can. Okay? But mainly it's for you guys to each other. Does it make sense? Okay, man. Okay, so Xiaoqi and Zhaosen. Wait. I circled the wrong one. One of you is 39, the other is 40. Okay. Sing, sorry. Roasting. Okay, roasting. So in this 10-minute break, so please go and add everyone here. Okay, add everyone here. How many of you are here today? I'm not sure I calculate wrong now. Around 48. Later, before start class, I will take attendance again. Okay, so let's break for 10 minutes and we will come back again. So let's break until 6:09. 谢谢你们来。哎，您开始去了？去了。我第一次从中学到对，那我们关选这个点题的。其他有啦，你有信心的，你是后期，但是还是对对对对对对对。所以可以找希望比较好，有信心吧？好，可以就来问吧。你现在做的班主啊？我在找谁跟呢？该可以啊，可以了。打音乐的有兴趣。公办的自己艺术，不是应该不是那个画图说的那个，就是大家最情况是不应该这种我这边那个搞出了，但是你可以做就是只有那个不是这个，因为我看到啊，但是我没有仔细，是就是那种画一个。对，他有几种啊，他说的相关音有音乐，你哪里？我介绍，好，那时候再去。上学期还有哦，mechanic 你是还没打，你复打，你都是打，那你结婚，为什么要属于其他的，只是本地的，不是那个，就是那个，就是那个。现在这样的来看，但他老师有个对，就是他怎么说？他之前有名单，这个可是我的名单也不知道是演出，有可能会变，因为我不是确实，我也是等一下要等，不然我，那你不是你，我觉得可以点两包，因为我其实是要问打波球，就是你这边是谁跟我打比赛，所以可懂了，都没有进去了。不是，就因为我的同学这样的，不然我就点了过后再跟你们讲，或者你们先点多少就点多少。对，这就平常上来听了就过来，是有问题要才 reference 课。OK，好，对，大家明白了。欢迎。
你们分开掉咯，一人选一条，选一条条。你们可以一人选一条，有2条这里。
Maybe I wait another few minutes, then I when most of you here, then I'll come at the minutes. Testing. Maybe I start taking attendance. 小杨，张小杨，李洪杰，李洪杰，上厕所啊。OK，林和洪杰有在啊。卢子何俊年，何俊年，何俊年，曾子航，A 娟蛋，好 A 娟，好 A 娟蛋条，参加令，参加令，陆之炫，Lydia 亚，嘉令，OK，T 少 T OK，用 Eugene 用了，but you already fixed first name last name，用 Eugene 啊，sorry， your first name is Young. Your first name is Young. Yeah. This is like the Amor style. Your IC Young Eugene. Yeah. Because Amor put last first name in Young. Okay. Indra Kusuma. Is it correct? Indra Kusuma?
Is it how you pronounce your name? How should I call you? How should I address you? Jasmine, huh? Okay, Jasmine. Johansson? Johansson, right? Bao Chen Bi. Bao Chen Bi. Cao Jingyu. Chen Hao Rui. Chen Zihao. Dai Yichen. Dai Yichen. Dai Yichen. 何心怡。何心怡啊，对吗？你的名字什么心怡啊？哦，何心怡，OK。冷修通是冷啊，冷啊，OK，冷修通。李冰夏，李冰夏，李冰夏，李冰夏没有。刘小月，刘小月，OK。刘子涵，罗红瑞，马玉轩，OK。孙佳怡，孙佳怡，孙佳怡，孙佳怡。汪方玉，汪佳怡，汪书瑶，书瑶。吴曦是吴曦吗？谢昌宇，延伸，延伸是延伸，OK。姚一晨，一凡，钟一凡，哇哦，两个凡，哎，两个一凡哎，不分辨这两个一凡呢？一个叫凡，一个叫一凡，怎么办？别人都叫你一凡是吧？叫一凡，难道我要叫全名啊？钟一凡，叫全名？OK OK OK 可以。周雪康平，周雪康平，叫康平吗？康平啊。周若欣，这样对。洪昭胜，邱明春，李浩天啊，李浩天，you message me right? Did you email me? I'm your advisor. Okay. 李金信，林一航，林一航，一航。柯秀哲，Eurasia，Eurasia，康星，，OK，康星。林 N，庄真安，Ian 啊，Ian，翁真月，李兆瑞，刘敬鹏，韦泽。Okay, I recall those who are absent. 潘晓妍 not here. 何俊言 not here. 戴一成，李炳夏 no. 孙佳颖 no. 没有47个人，你们加的时候没有41个人，还不知道。OK， 不要紧，慢慢来。OK。Hopefully, I can remember your name. Give me a few days. I can remember. Okay, so so what should we do now? Okay, let's talk about what's the structure of our class. So our class is like this. Okay, let me remove this. So the way we carry out this class is called lectorial. Do you know what lectorial is? I think this is the word invented by me. It's like lecture plus tutorial. Okay, because our university is very weird. We have a block study.
So you have like 3-hour blocks, 2-hour blocks of study. And then there's only one lecture for one course. I don't have tutor, so I have to tutor myself. So I have to do lecture and tutorial together. So in this case, we might as well make it into like an interactive discussion. Okay, so you can ask question in the middle when I lecture. Then we can discuss a bit what's your problem, why you don't understand. Okay, I can go a bit further. Okay, this one is customized for you, because your problem maybe is different from different batch problems. Okay, so we can customize for you. So your batch actually is easier, because I've taught this once. So I have a past year lecture now. So you can read that first. Okay, very good. How right? How can ask? Wow, you got 3 textbook, one lecture now. So which one to follow? Okay. So let me tell you how I prepare this course, the lecture notes. So I do it based on R-Team. Okay, look for the book R-Team. Okay, one of them. And the other 2 book is like a supplementary. Okay, help you to understand. They are easier. A lot of example there, calculation there, you can learn there. R-Team, a little bit dry, but not too hard. Okay, but I based on that book. And also, of course, my lecture notes. Okay, I will fill in the detail of the textbook. So this is what is about my lecture notes. If you can ask me if it is the same, why you need to copy twice? Because I fill in the detail of the textbook. You don't understand the textbook? I fill in the detail in my lecture notes. Okay, you read my lecture notes. Okay, what's the extra thing I add in? So in the Moodle, right, I will write prereqs. I will put prereqs. You can see. Actually, I put 3 books there, so you can read 3 books talking about the same thing. So for sure, I think you will learn already. Let me see. So if you go to this Moodle, you will see every week you have prereqs and tutorial here. Okay, so prereqs I actually list out 3 books section talking about all more or less the same thing. Okay, help you to understand. And then tutorial question here. Okay, tutorial mainly I pick from R-Team. Okay, so this means I follow R-Team more. So this tutorial question, you try, okay, don't know how to do. Stuck, how? How if you stuck? If you stuck on tutorial question, how? Ask what? Good. Ask me. First of all, ask me. Second of all, actually you are quite lucky also. The first batch of students, right, organize the tutorial solution. So it is here. Do you remember where I put it? Above. Both below. Some answer of I think. Yeah. Okay, so this one actually organized by week already, because I also choose those questions for them to do. Okay. So maybe accident or I happy, I change the question. Then you try and do. Okay, if there's no answer there, you also can look for online also. Okay, if not, really cannot, come and ask me again. Okay, no. So anything, just come back and ask me. Okay, don't hide it yourself. I won't understand if you hide it. Okay, you need to tell me. So you can click that thing into it. There's solution for all these questions. Tutorial question. Okay, make sure you do mathematics. No doing exercise you won't understand one. For sure won't understand one. You cannot just listen and calculate one. Impossible. Those are fake. 假的，不可能的。你能够这样的话，你只是做一件事情罢了，就是 copy and paste. That's mean you are copy and paste. 你不可能理解他在做这样子的。好，so in our I ban copy and paste in my class. Okay, so it's like assignment. You have to write where you get the answer from. Okay, some answer of R-Team algebra here. And you see, actually I posted out my MA1 lecture notes here. Just last semester I finished it. It's not for fun. Because I have little bit structure different than Prof. Teo. What did you learn? Have you gone through first lecture yet? What did you learn in your first lecture? Real numbers. So she start with real numbers, right? I start with logic. Logic, set theory, natural number, Peano axiom.
and then real numbers. Okay, so it's better you go and read here because these are the language we will use in both course pure maths language. So I run through your discrete maths again. I do it more detailed. I mean, not to say more detailed, but more rigorous. I mean, I collect everything that you need for these two classes, pure courses. Okay, because you need to try and write proof already. You need to know what is contradiction, you need to know what is contrapositivity. Okay, all these things you need to know, need to go and revise. Okay, otherwise you will just blur. Does it make sense or not? Make sense? Okay, 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 good. So let's come back to the structure. So first, when I introduce a new theory, for example, I want to tell you what is root. First, I'll start with some motivation, or maybe I'll start with some question to motivate the theory. And then second, I'll start with definition. What is group? Group is a set, or group is a function. There are only two things in this mathematics you need to understand. Whether it is a set, whether it is a function. These two things. Okay. Three, then definition must be useful. So we need to come up with example or non-example. Okay, whether it satisfies the definition or don't satisfy the definition. Four is a theorem, proposition, lemma, corollaries, claim. So these are the true statements that need to be proven. These are the theories. Do you know what's the difference between these one? Theorem, proposition, lemma, corollaries. Do you know what's the difference between these one? Don't know. Okay. Theorem is a very important statement that we prove that it's true. Important one, theorem. Proposition, maybe less important, but it's still true. Okay, we prove it. Every sentence here need proof. Lemmas, lemmas is some statement that we prove to prove theorem. Some like intermediate statement. Okay. Corollaries, corollaries also true statement, but what it means is corollaries maybe usually follows from theorem. No need to prove anymore. Just change maybe variable, change a bit. No new idea involved already. Does it make sense? Okay, so this is corollary. Claims, claim is anything you claim. 我觉得是对的，但是我不要你觉得，我要我觉得。所以你要 prove. So you need to prove. Okay. So for claim, is a statement that you need to prove also for yourself. Okay. Because maybe it's not any big theorem, so you need to prove it. You claim something, then you prove it. So fifth line, of course, when I tell you, wow, this is true, 我觉得这个是对的，我不可以觉得不了，我要证明 I need to prove to you. So I will prove. So sometimes we'll do full proof. Sometimes just some idea sketch, maybe it's too long or trivial. And then I use this color to differentiate these. You know why? 我不是让你眼睛看了眼花，你知道吗？ Hey, actually, for these different color, right, you also observe in prof field notes, right? You observe it in the lecture note. Use different color. So this is easy for you to search for something. If you want to find example, go to find the green one enough. If you want to look for definition, white one. Okay. Does it make sense? You know how to use this color template here? Okay, so this color, if you want to look for proof, I want to learn proof today. Go look for blue one. Okay, blue one in proof. And I also put homework here. So if I ask you something, I do it, and then similar statement, I ask you to prove, go back and try, I put homework. So try and do it. Does it make sense? Okay. And then after that is remark notation. Okay, so maybe dy dx is differentiation, right? Sometimes we also put capital D subscript x, also dy dx. So you need to learn. I put a lot of notation. So once I use that notation, you know that, oh, this is referred to derivative, for example. Okay, notation you need to learn, remark, so on. And then lastly is some maybe comment, add on some comment, okay, about the theory. Why we learn this, why we introduce this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Slide. Let's play some game before we start. Make sure we are on the same page. So let me tell you, what's my what's truth? Okay, what is truth? What is truth to you? Okay, 什么是真理? What is truth for you? Okay, let me start with asking you some question. Question one that I gave to you today. Okay, which wait, okay, which of the equation below is true? Okay, I let you pick multiple choice question. Although you won't see in our class anymore. A, B, C, D. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay, I give you a few seconds to think. Which one is true? Okay, I give you 30 seconds to think about it. Okay. Let's still discussing. Discussing. Okay, I think we have enough time. Okay, which one is true? A, B, C, or D? Or few of them? A. A obviously true. If your 1 plus 1 is not equal to 2, maybe you live in Mars. Live on the Mars. Second, true or not? No, true. You said true. Why? Why is it true? Okay, if we do in module 2, actually is correct. Okay. C, in binary. Wow, good, huh? In binary is correct. D, can be true or not? Is it possible? 1加1又是1又是2，你这个老师在骗我啊！ Is it possible? Why is it possible? Possible. What is it called? Boolean algebra. Did you learn in your discrete math or not? Boolean algebra. I remember I taught it in the service courses BSc. They did Boolean algebra. I don't know about MAT Boolean discrete math. So meaning what? True is different in different cases. And so you need to be, first of all, rigorous in what you ask. True in what sense? They can be true in their own sense. Okay, so this is the thing I will catch in this course. And you need to learn how to discern the difference of this. And try to be open, right? Try to be open. Why 1 plus 1 is 2 again? Why 1 plus 1 is 1 again? Can be 0 and 0, 1, 2. Take all the number already. Almost. If you write this in MA1, I think Prof. Teo will score you. Okay? But in our course, we will look at different settings. Because we're algebra, abstract algebra, we need to capture all these calculations. Does it make sense? Okay, so you need to be careful when you see equal sign. What is equal? Equal as function, equal as number. Okay, what sort of number? Okay, you need to ask yourself.
Okay, not the number equaling only 1 equals to 1. Okay. Does it make sense? Okay.
Okay, so be careful with this proof. Okay. Can everyone now bring out a paper or tablet that you can draw? Paper or tablet. Okay, let's play a definition game. Paper or tablet. Take out a paper or tablet that you can draw. Okay, everyone ready? Take out paper and tablet. Okay, so here I define banana. A banana is a red, round, sweet fruit. So here is the task. Please draw a banana. Okay, draw a banana on your paper. Yeah, if you don't have paper, maybe you can borrow from your friend. Borrow from your friend. Please draw a banana. I give you 1 minute. Draw. Please draw a banana. Yeah, please draw a banana. Okay, can or not? 1 minute can done. Very quick one. Don't need too pro one. As long as I can insert the shape. Okay, so if you're done, can you lift up your banana for everyone to see, especially me? Can you lift up? 拿起来，有看一下，香蕉，放大一点啊。Yeah, please draw larger so that we can see. Can everyone show? Okay, good. Yeah, 来 take it out. Okay. 来 take out. Okay. How about this second row? Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay, at the back, can you lift higher? I cannot see. Okay. At the back. Oh. What the others? Sure. Okay. Here. Wow. Hey, you search for me. What? AI generate that one. Wow. Right? How about the other? You guys? Which one? Where's the banana? All mathematics. So small. Okay, good. Wait. Hey, these three guys. One of you share again. Okay, can you keep yours? Can you make me try yours? What's your name? Yuan How about the rest? Try and draw that larger. Okay. How about the rest? Let me see first. See. Okay. How about the rest? Hello. Let me see. Oh, okay. Right. What's that? Banana. Okay. Hey, 来，同学 can you leave your banana higher? Is this what you draw now? I didn't. Oh, okay. Then I see wrong stuff. Maybe show yours. Huh? What's yours? I think you just circle red, right? Okay. Yeah, okay. No. Hi. Oh, plagiarism, huh? Okay, show this to others. Show. Quick. Show. Oh, this one, I think look more like sample, right? Can. Actually, yeah. So what I want to say is definition, For definition, what's important? The important thing is not this banana. What's important thing is come after this is. Okay, is what? Is a red, round, sweet fruit. So this is the thing that I want you to draw. I can put banana, apple, watermelon, anything to describe this red, round, sweet fruit. Okay, what is important thing is not this banana, but what comes after the banana is important. Okay, for definition. Okay, so a lot of students confused when they see banana 我觉得 banana 就是那个 banana 吧 then you draw banana wrong. In mathematics doesn't work like this. Okay, so in mathematics definition, what's come after is really important. Okay, does it make sense? Okay, yeah. But since like I'm describing apple here, can you give a better definition to banana? Can you come up with a better definition? Okay, let's say with this definition, what can be a banana with this definition? Tomato can be that. Yeah, sure. Tomato, red, brown, sweet. More like it. Tomato is a banana. What cannot be a banana? Non-example. Durian. Hey, good, very good. Durian is not a banana. Okay. But just now, as we discussed, seems like banana is not very good definition here. So maybe you can try and give a better definition. But let me ask you a question. Can banana be red or not? Yes. Who say yes? Who say yes? Why do you think yes? No lah. I mean, we say the real banana. So fake man cannot be fake out. Can banana be real or not? Can? How do you know? You saw red banana. Good, very good. Very good. Very I think if you go to Pasar Malam here, the night market outside, right? You are able to find this red banana. Yeah, you go online search, let me see. Yeah, actually you can find red banana. Actually, in Malaysia you can find it. There's red banana. Actually quite round. Usually very fat one, this red banana. I mean for the one I saw. In the picture also quite fat. Yeah. It's a very quite giant banana. Okay, so how to give a better definition to banana, you need to think about it. Cannot be just yellow. This one not yellow already. Right? Yeah. So when you think about definition, you need to be able to comprise every possibility that you want to include. Okay. Does it make sense? So in our course, whatever you don't know how to do, first thing first, go back to definition. Understand definition first. Only you can do it. Okay. If you don't understand definition, don't think about doing any question. It's impossible. Right? Impossible. Must go back to definition. First thing first. Does it make sense? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So any question? Any question about this? If not, then we have half an hour. We can start class for half an hour. Okay. Should we start? Ready for serious stuff? Then you rest a bit first. You can drink water a bit. Okay, let's do a water break. For testing. Okay, I guarantee we won't go further yet, but we will do something before we left, some meaningful thing. Okay, let's start with some motivation. Let's start with some motivation. Let's recall some familiar calculation that you know. How about start with clock arithmetic? You know what a clock arithmetic is? or modulo arithmetic. Modulo what? Maybe mod 12. Okay. Do you know this language or not? Mod 12. Yeah. So in mod 12, how many numbers in here? How many number inside the Z mod 12? What are the possible numbers can exist? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? No. Why no? Sorry, 12 equals to 0. Okay, so either you can take 0 or either you take 12. Okay, so these are the choices you can make. So what's interesting about this set here? Can you add more than 12 or not? Add until more than 12. For example, if I take 7 plus 8, what should I get? Can I get 15? 15 not in the set. Huh? What should I do? Mod 12. So what do I get? 3. So actually this is equal to 3 mod 12. So we design this modular arithmetic such that when no matter how we add or how we multiply, we will return to a finite set of number. Is it a finite set or not? How many elements in here? 12. Okay, so this is a finite set. Okay, so this is one example. Second example is, do you like to play with, do you like symmetry or not? Do you like symmetry? 知道什么是 symmetry 吗？不是 symmetry. What is symmetry? 对称。对称。Do you like symmetry? 你喜欢美的东西吗？ Do you like those things are beautiful? Those beautiful things always come with symmetry. Maybe it's a left-right symmetry, top and bottom symmetry, or a circle symmetry. Did you observe any circle symmetry in our school or not? Where? Where? Did you observe any circle symmetry in our school? 很圆啊 very round. Circle, 2D circle, 2 dimension. 有吗？有找过吗？有看过吗？ Did you find circle symmetry in our school? Have you ever went to A3 or not? Did all of you went to A3? Did you stand in the middle or not? At the ground floor? Try and look up from there. You can find a big circle on top of you. Okay, symmetry. Okay, so let's talk about one easy symmetry, very easy shape. Equilateral triangle. 等边三角形. Okay, equilateral triangle. What sort of symmetry you will have here? Let's name this vertex A, B, C. What can you do to preserve this triangle? Sorry? Angle. I mean, what sort of transformation you can do to this triangle to keep the triangle the same shape? Sorry? Reflection, good. How do you reflect it? How do you reflect? You reflect, you need to tell me along what axis, right? So along which line you can reflect? Y. Okay, so there's no XY here yet, right? So meaning you want to, the technical term is embed. So you want to put it into, let's say, R2, right? Like this. Fair enough? Yeah, so you call this a y-axis. So you can do a reflection here, like this. 180, of course, 180. Okay, reflection. What else? Hey, wait. Before that, if you reflect, what happened here? You still get the same triangle, but what happened to the vertexes? Huh? What happened to the vertexes? Swap. Who and who swap? B and C swap, good. But we fix A. A is still at the top. Okay, so although you preserve the shape, but there's something you permuted. Okay, but it's allowed. It's allowed. We just want to keep the shape. Preserve means keeping the shape. What else you can do to this equilateral triangle other than reflection? Rotation. Okay, how do you rotate? Clockwise can. Sure. So if you want to rotate, you need to tell me what? How many degree good? So what degree can preserve this rotation? I mean preserve this shape. How many degree? Huh? Try answer. Any degree. If I rotate like this, not the same shape already. Okay. So how many degree I need to rotate? Sorry, 360. You can do that, but it's equivalent to doing nothing. Okay, it's like the clock arithmetic, no? 0 equals to 12, but now it's 0 equals to 360. Okay. What other non-trivial one? Sorry, 120. Okay. So if you do rotation, right, you need to do it around a center. So let's fix our center in the middle of the triangle. So if we do 120, we get the same shape. But what happened to the vertex? Change to what? Can you tell me the order? 120 degree rotation. So it's clockwise or anti-clockwise? Do you want? It's different, no? We will reset to a different thing. Maybe let's fix clockwise first and then later we do anti-clockwise. So if we do clockwise, so what's the order of the vertex we'll get? Anyone want to guess? Let's start with the top. C, C, A, B. But what does this mean? Now we got this two, I think it's easier. Precise. So what do we do here if we do clockwise? Let me do one trick. Let's see, I can play with this app. I think we can do this. So let's get rid of this. So clockwise 120 precise. So what is 60? If I do clockwise 60, what do I get? I should get this. Correct, no? 60 degree. Okay. 120 should be like this. And then 60 again is 180, right? Like this. Wait, let me think. So let's check. So what does it mean by 120? So let's draw it. Okay, good, correct. So 120 means I permute this edge, this vertex to this vertex here, and then B to C and then C to A. Okay, yeah, good. Right. Okay, good. But anti-clockwise, what do we produce? If we do anti-clockwise, what do we produce? 100 also, what do we produce? If we do at the other direction. B, C, A. Okay, yeah, okay. So basically what you can do to this triangle is you can reflect, you can rotate. Okay, reflect doesn't just reflect along this axis, right? You also can reflect on the other perpendicular axis to the edges. Okay, okay, good, very good. Any questions so far? So these two are the motivation why we study groups. Okay, study groups. So to talk about groups, right? Really, we need to start with set. Okay, we need to start with set. So let's define set first. So a set S is a collection of elements. So I test you again. Huh? So let me ask you, what is a set? A collection of elements. So do you know what collection is? Do you know what element is or not? Yes. So there's bunch of things, okay? Bunch of elements. Okay. So there's some notation I want to introduce here. So if X contain an element A, or A is an element of X, well, how do we write it? We will write right. E S contain A, or A is in X. Okay. So the E here is the element. Okay, represent the element of, is an element of. So if I wrote it differently, you see, it reflects different English. S contain A, or A is in X. Okay, so in mathematics, all these mathematical symbol, right, can be translated into English. Okay, okay. So that's why we use symbol a lot. Otherwise, we will write a long paragraph. Okay, so you see, we use three symbol to replace how many words here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. Okay, we shrink 5 words into 3 symbols. Okay, so this is the advantage of using symbol. But of course, in your assignment, right, you don't skip the connective. Therefore, what? So, hence, then because of all these, you need to put in. Cannot put dot 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 dot. You know what I mean? The 3 dot, you know. Please don't do this. I'll take off your mask. Sorry. Don't do this. It's very hard to discern, you see. Which one is a right triangle, which one is an inverted triangle. Don't do this. Never do this in your course. In the course. Okay. So write in word. Hence, okay, maybe due to, like that. Okay, write in words. In my MA1 lecture notes, I list out this vocab, so you can go and refer. Okay. I write out what word you need to learn before you write the proof. Because now you are still first year into proof type of mathematics. Okay, so you are actually quite new. You are beginner. You are baby. Okay, you're max baby. Okay, so you need to learn. Right. So what kind of set you have seen before? Let's look at some example of set. Okay, can you give me 5 more minutes? I finish this example, then we finish there. Okay. I think no one using now at 7 o'clock already. Okay, so let's finish the example and then we will call it off today. So one example. Just now, actually, we already talked about it. Natural number, you must know. Okay. In this class, let's include 0 into our natural number. Okay. Include 0. Okay, I forgot, but let's include first. I think it will be useful later. Okay. Sometimes we don't include 0. Sometimes we include 0. Okay. When we include 0, it's easier for piano axiom to work, or the logic when we define the whole natural number system. If we start with 1, it's like, what's natural for you? If you want to count things, right, you must start with something. If there's nothing, how you count it? So you must start with 1. So this is why is it natural. When you grow from baby, you will know, oh, 1. Do you know it? Or your parents tell you 1. Actually, this is a fun story. How do you know about 1? You learn by 1 apple, 1 banana, or 1 something else. You just learn, oh, finger. Okay, good. Yeah, finger. Yeah, Chinese parents like to do this. 1，这个是1，这个是2，这个是3。为什么1、2、3呢？ You see, let me explain this mechanism in your head. What do? Actually, you build a function between number to this finger.
一，怎么这个不是一？因为这个跟这个不一样，这个多一点哦，对吗？You form a bijection between this image. The idea of one, the idea of two, the idea of three with this image. Actually, this is not normal, you know. This is not normal. That's why a lot of people cannot understand maths properly from young age. 怎么这个一定要一，怎么这个一定要二？我不要，GG 哦，完蛋哦，教不会了哦，怎么办？Okay, so this is actually not trivial. We are forming a bijection. You know bijection? Okay, one to one and on to map between one and one finger. Okay, and this generalized. So you can go and count the sheep, you can go and count apples, you can go and count banana, count your pen, count your tuition fee. Okay, yeah. So this one represents a lot of things. One is natural number. Second, obviously, is the integer. Okay, so collection of these numbers inside here. And then what else? Just now I introduced you, right? Modular arithmetic, Z mod n. Okay, Z mod n. For our class purpose, I want to put a hat on top of it. Have you learned the idea that this 012 is different from the normal 012 in your discrete math? No. No, then next time I will introduce to you. Because you know why? You know that 0 is 12, right? 12 is equal to 24, right? So these things are grouped inside one set, which is 0. So this 0 is special. It's not just 0. 12 is also 0. 24 is also 0. So if I want to write it mathematically, how should I write it? So this 0 bar should be equals to 0, 12, 24, 36. Not just these all. You need to consider the negative part. Okay, negative 12 and that's all. Okay, so actually is what? Actually, modular arithmetic is a set of set. So this is how our abstract algebra works. So sometimes the element inside the set is a set actually. Okay, so you can imagine we can go further. Set of set of set, set of set of set of set of set. But in mathematics, what does it mean? It's just like bracket over bracket, over bracket again, set of set of set. Okay, we will see more example when we have chance later. Okay, I just want to bring something to your mind to think about. And then real numbers, what are the real numbers? Obviously, you have all these natural number, integer, rational number, what else? Irrational, what else? Irrational is what number? Pi, e, square root. Okay, you will learn in hopefully I think Prof. Teo should teach you how to construct irrational from rational. Okay, how to construct as a limit. Okay, so in the MA1 course, what you learn basically is limit. Everything is about limit. Continuous is limit. Sorry, differentiation is limit. Yeah, continuity is limit. Integration is still limit. So the only one thing you have to learn in that course is limit. Yeah, so limit, but limit is very precise here. You need to use epsilon delta definition. Yes, that's the painful thing. But once you get over it, that's all. Nothing else. Epsilon delta. Okay, to appreciate epsilon delta, you need to be able to draw it. You need to draw it. You can see it geometrically. Okay, I wrote in my MA1 notes. Okay, and then what else? What other objects you have learned? N by N matrices. Okay, N by N matrices, linear algebra. Okay, N by N matrices. So if I put R here means what? These matrices have entry in R. Good, very good. So in our course, we can change this entry one. We can change R to Z, to Zn, to what? Complex number also can. Okay, yeah, anything we can change it. Change it to set of fruit also can. Then you will see a lot of apple, banana inside this entry. Like you play games, do you play games or not? Candy Crush. Okay, yeah. So all these entries need to live in R. And then what else? Okay, two more, I finished. Okay,
So the other set is set of continuous function. Okay, we can play with function also. Set of continuous function, also very important. Because what do you know? You should know that composition of continuous function is still continuous. Okay, so it's a good, fun object to play with, continuous function. Okay, so we denote it here as C0. Okay, why got RR here? Is a function, you need to tell me the domain and codomain. So R to R. 0 here because I can replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what does it mean? So we go out level. 0, continuous. 1, differentiable. 2, twice differentiable. You can differentiate twice. Then so on. And then we have C infinity also. Infinitely differentiable. Can you think of an example that a function that's infinitely differentiable? Oh, sign good, very good. E to the x also, yeah. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, last one. Last one is our triangle symmetry, the one that we introduced just now. Okay, you can compose, rotate, flip, rotate, flip, rotate, flip. You still have the same triangle. Okay, you can, although you permute the vertexes, but it is still the same triangle. Okay, any question for today? So we only introduce one definition today. Make sure you understand what is set, because all the time we will use set. Okay, if no question, we will call for today. See you on next week.